Hello everyone, so today we'll be having a quick review of the Just for Men Control GX Gray Reducing Shampoo. Welcome tutorials by David and let's go. We have right here the Just for Men Control GX Men Reducing Shampoo. This is one of the most talked about options in 2026, but here's what you need to know. The product works by depositing gradual color with every wash, helping gray blend back toward your natural shade over time without the commitment of a permanent dye. Many users like that it doubles as a cleansing shampoo and doesn't leave their hair feeling heavy or coated like traditional cold treatments. However, there's an important sensitive scalp warning. Because Control GX use color depositing molecules along the surfactants, some people, especially those with sensitive or reactive skin, report itchiness, tingling, or mild irritation on the scalp after repeated use. It's not universal, but it's common enough that a patch test before full head application is a smart idea. If you already have a sensitive scalp or dermatitis, you might find this formula a bit harsh compared with a fragrance-free gentle shampoo.